friends, I'm Injiramandri Bhalirao. I'm studying in Poddar International School. Today we are going to see question and answers of the lesson Brick by Brick. But before watching this video in detail, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. Brick by Brick. Questions and answers. Word meanings. Masonry, meaning stonework. Durable, meaning able to withstand pressure. Eco-friendly, meaning environment-friendly materials that prevent air and water pollution. Refractory, meaning resistant to a process. Benders, meaning a substance added to a mixture to make all the parts stick together. Overall, meaning total or complete. Stacked, meaning to prop up or hold up. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The brick industry in India employs around dash workers. The answer is 15 million. B. Dash is the second largest manufacturer of bricks in the world. The answer is India. C. Dash bricks are used for footpaths and roads. The answer is paving. D. Dash is a place where bricks are baked. The answer is a kiln. E. The process of drying dash the overall strength of raw bricks. The answer is increases. Question 2. What is a brick? The answer is a brick is a building material which is used to make walls, pavements and other elements in masonry construction. Question 3. What is weathering? The answer is in the brick making process, soil is laid on a leveled ground, cleaned of all impurities and is then left exposed to the weather for a few months. This process of leaving the soil exposed to the weather for a few months is known as weathering. Question 4. Why are bricks called eco-friendly material? The answer is bricks are called eco-friendly material because they are energy efficient and hold sunlight throughout the day and release that energy after sunset. Question 5. What happens if damp bricks are taken directly for burning? The answer is if damp bricks are taken directly for burning, then it results in cracking of the bricks. Question 6. How do makers ensure that bricks don't stick to their molds? The answer is makers use sand to ensure that bricks don't stick to their molds. Question 7. How is the color of the bricks established? The answer is the color of the bricks is established by the minerals used to make them. Question 8. What are different types of bricks? The answer is the different types of bricks are: first, face bricks; second, common bricks; third, paving bricks; fourth, fire bricks; fifth, refractory bricks. Question 9. Answer the following. A. Major brick producer states in India. The answer is Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. B. Bricks designed to withstand high temperatures. The answer is refractory bricks. C. What is pug mill? The answer is a pug mill is a machine in which clay or other materials are mixed into a plastic state by thoroughly breaking, watering and kneading it. D. What is the use of molds? The answer is molds are used for shaping the bricks. E. Which is the most commonly used pattern for assembling the bricks? The answer is running bond. F. What is course? The answer is a row of bricks is called a course. Question 10. Give the antonym. A. Available. Antonym unavailable. B. High. Antonym low. C. Increase. Antonym decrease. D. Exteriors. Antonym interiors. Question 11. Give the synonym. A. Protect. Synonym assure. B. access. And B. Access. Synonym, surplus. C. Contribute to. Synonym, provide, furnish, donate. D. Steady. Synonym, stable. Okay friends, so these were the question and answers of the lesson brick by brick. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment section. Bye, have a good day. Thanks for watching this video.